All right, if you're creating content, you're going to want to check out this light. It is pretty impressive. As you can see, it's a giant disc. It's from GreatLPT. You've got a couple of different modes. You've got a mode where you can run it through its control panel on the back here, which you can run through all the different settings. But in order to use it remotely, you can also use the app. And right now I have it turned off in the app. I'll turn the button to turn it on there. And we've got 3 modes in the app, a little easier to see. We've got the CCT, which is just going to be different versions of the light and about 5 different temperatures. Then we've got this HSI mode, and this is a lot of fun. You can change the color, the saturation, and the brightness. So you can really play with that one. And the funnest one, in my opinion, for doing content creation is this scene mode. So we're going to turn it on. I've got it on police car mode, and I've got it on fast. There's a couple of different ways you can use that. I don't even have it on bright yet. We've got the fire truck, got things like a fire, got a television, you've got fireworks. There's a lot of fun things that you can do to set the scene for your lighting and your content creation. It's all available either through the app here on a cell phone, or you can go onto the back here and change the modes on the back here with these buttons. You can change the functions. Pretty neat. And what's neat is you can do all that, both the phone and on the back of the machine there. Really nice, easy to use, and it doesn't get real hot. It's got a mount here for however you're going to mount it, to the ceiling or to a pole. Hope this helps.